Alright, here's a you do. Let's read the tip, factor out the GCF first, if there is any. Hopefully you've tried this already, and you might have messed up, and you're coming to me for mistakes, and that's okay too. Alright, so here we have 5a squared minus 31a plus 30. None of these you can't take out a GCF, so we'll just do factors of the first term, factors of 5, so that's going to be 5 and 1. Right, because I need it at the end to multiply to 5a squared. Okay, so I have 5 and 1. And then factors of 30. Factors of 30, I have 15 and 2. I have 6 and 5. How about 3 and 10? Right? Ooh, that's a lot of combination. Let's see which one makes 31 with a combination of 5. So let's do... let's do this one. Alright, let's try this. 5 and let's do 6 and 5. Right? Let's do this one first. Whoops. Let's do 5. No, sorry. Let's do 6 and 5. Okay, and then because this one's positive and I know that it's going to come out to negative, both of these will have to be negative. So let's try this. 5 times negative 6 will give me negative 30. 1 times negative 5 will give me negative 5. And this will add up to give me negative 35. Darn, I'm so close. I want negative 31. Let's try it again. Okay, so we still have the 5 and the 1. I still think it's 6 and 5. Let's just switch up the places. So let's do this. 5 times negative 5 will give me negative 25. And 1 times negative 6 will give me negative 6. Hey, that gives me negative 31. Right, so I know the two numbers will be negative 6 and negative 5. But again, we're going through it slowly. So I know 5 needs to multiply with negative 5. So I'm going to put the negative 5 over here. I'm going to keep it separate from this 5. Because I need this to multiply with this. So it needs to be on the other side. Then that means that negative 6 will fall right here. And there's your final answer. Alright, and the second you do, 12n squared plus 40n plus 12. Let's go ahead and let's factor out a GCF. I can factor out from all three terms. I think a 4. Taking out a 4, 12 divided by 4 is 3n squared plus 10n plus 3. Alright. Now let's go ahead and let's start our guess and check. So we still have the 4 on the outside. Factors of 3 will give me 3 and 1. Right? Factors of 3 will always give me 3 and 1. What for the other one? Factors of 3. Oh, this one also gives me 3 and 1. So let's see. How do I make 10 from this combination? A multiplication and addition. How do I make 10? Let's try this. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. That gives me 6. Darn. Let's try that again. Right, that adds up to give me 6. I don't want 6. I want 10. So let's do 3 and 1. And again, it's 3 and 1. Whoops, I did not write that right. Let's do 3 times 3 and 1 times 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. Hey, that gives me 10. That's what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for this 10. So if I want the 3 to multiply to this 3, I need to put the 3 onto the other side, on the other binomial. That way it will multiply to give me the 9n later. And this will give me plus 1. And don't forget your addition sign. So this week is harder, I know. Just try your best.